Greetings one and all, how's everybody doing? I hope very well. I just went over my 13 C's already by pack, and what I wanted to do was I wanted to break open one of these Nescafe 3-in-1s. These are just strong. I've never had, but I'm curious because I had my drink mix here, and I commented that I wanted a few more just 3-in-1 coffees rather than having to bring sugar and then bring cream and everything else. I could just throw one of these in there and I'd have some nice hot beverage in the morning, kind of get you moving. So I'm gonna break out my butane stove and I'm gonna get a nice hot cup of coffee going because it's chilly here today at the park, and I'm curious if coffee's any good or not. I'm sure it is, but let's get to it. All right. Cheers to your good health. Wow, it's put my lips to it. That was insanely hot. Water wasn't a boil, but I have to let that cool down a bit. The sun's actually coming out. That's a mighty good cup of joe. And very hot too. Whew. It's my current view just at the park here. There's a river right over here. Saw some kayakers go by. Had a little frozen over playground. Well, it was more ice earlier. Another picnic table behind it, and then one down over there, and then another one down over there, and then the parking lot. That's my Jeep. Pretty nice view. A lot of people here though. It's the only downside. People just ruin everything. So I had to wait for this couple to finish their photo shoot before I could wrap up my video. But anyway, I gotta say, pretty tasty cup of coffee. I like this. It's good. Maybe I like the richness. Yeah, it's good stuff though. I'll have to remember that. It's only like $15 too. I thought it was pretty affordable. Of course, being a Prime member, I don't have to pay shipping, so I had it in like a day. I think I had it the next day. So anyway, recommended. Should have brought some cookies or something, but not that I need them. Anyway, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.